Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amiruddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 6. Today's topic, exercise 2.1, question number 10, 11 and 16. Today's lesson number 16 and HW number 13. Okay, dear students, let us start our today's class. At first, we will solve 10 number question from exercise 2.1. Here, the question is, the ratio of the age of father and son is 14:3. If the age of father is 56 years, what is the age of son? Here, at first, we will write 10 number, given that age of father is to age of son equal to 14:3. Now age of father is given, it is 56 years. So instead of age of father we can write 56 or 56 ratio age of son equal to 14:3. Now we will write this ratio as a fraction, and first term of the ratio we will write as numerator, that means 56 we will write here, and the last term of the ratio we will write as denominator, that means age of son we will write here, age of son equal to, here also first term we will write as numerator and second term we will write as denominators. Now we have to find out the value of age of son. So we will convert this denominator as numerator and this numerator as denominators. In this part also we will convert this denominator as numerator and numerator as denominators. That means in the upper portion we will write age of son divided by, in lower portion we will write 56. Here also in upper portion we will write 3 and in lower portion we will write 40. Now therefore age of son equal to age of son equal to, we will send this 56 in right hand side and it will be, now this 56 will come in right hand side and we have to write it as the form of product, sorry, it's 14, here 56. Now 4 14s are 56, therefore age of son equal to 14. That means age of son will be 14 years. That means that is age of son is 14 years and answer is 14 years. Dear students, we have solved 10 number, now we will solve 11 number. Here the question is, the sum of two numbers is 630, their ratio is 10:11, determine two numbers. Here sum of two numbers given and their ratio also given, and we have to find out the numbers. At first we write given that sum of two numbers is 630 and their ratio is 10:11. Now we'll find out the sum of the term of ratio. Therefore, sum of the term of ratio, this is equal to 10 plus 11. 10 plus 11 is equal to 21. Now we can easily find out the two numbers. At first we'll find out first number. Therefore, first number is equal to, here first numbers in ratio, first numbers portion is 10. So we'll write 10 by 21 multiplication. Sum of the numbers is 630. Now, it's 10 by 21. Sum is 21. Now, 21 3s are 63. So, after cutting, we'll get here 30. Now, if we multiply 30 with 10, then it will be 300. That means first number is 300. Now we'll find out second number. Second number is, in a ratio, portion of second number is 11 and sum of the term of ratio is 21 and sum of two numbers is 63. Now again 3 21s are 63, 0 will come here. Now 11 3s are 33 and another 0 will come here. That means first number is 300 and second number is 330. 300 and 330. Dear students, we have solved 11 number. Now we'll solve 16 number. Here 16 number question is, the ratio of the prices of two computers is 5:6. If the price of the first computer is 25,000, what is the price of the second computer? And another question is, in case of price hike, if the price of the first computer is increased by TK 5,000, what type of ratio of their prices will be? At first we'll solve the question of first part. Here the ratio of the prices of two computers is given and it is 5:6 and price of first computer is given, it is 25,000. We have to find out the price of second computer. Here ratio of the prices of two computers is here given price of second computer, we will write price of first computer is to price of second computer. Ratio is 5:6. That means this is equal to, we can write 5:6. Now, or here price of first computer given it is 25,000. So instead of price of first computer we can write 25,000. 25,000 is to price of second computer. Price of second computer equal to 5:6. Now we'll write this ratio as fraction, and first term of the ratio will write as numerator. That means in upper portion we'll write 25,000, and in lower portion we'll write price of second computer. Price of second computer. This is equal to, here in upper portion we will write 5 and in lower portion we will write 6. Or we have to find out the price of second computer. Now we will convert this denominator as numerator. That means in upper portion we will write price of second computer. Price of second computer. And in lower portion we will write 25,000. 25,000 is equal to, here also we have to change, in upper portion we will write 6 and in lower portion we will write 5. Now, or price of second computer is equal to 6/5. We have to send this 25,000 in right side and we have to write it as the product, is the form of product. So 6/5 multiplication 25,000. Now 5 5s are 25, another 30 you have to write. This is equal to 5 6 are 30, 30,000. That means price of second computer is TK 30,000. Therefore, price of second computer is equal to TK 30,000. Dear students, we have already find out one answer. Now we have to find out another answer. Here the question is, in case of price hike, if the price of first computer is increased by TK 5,000. Here it is given that price of first computer is 25,000. Now if it is increased by TK 5,000, then it will be 30,000, and second computer's price also 30,000. So their ratio will be 30,000 is to 30,000. That means 1:1. If the price of the first computer is increased by TK 5,000, if the price of the first computer is increased by TK 5,000, then price of first computer will be TK 25,000 plus another 5,000, and this is equal to 30,000. Sorry, TK 30,000. TK 30,000. Dear students, now the price of first computer is TK 30,000 and first price of second computer also is TK 30,000. Now we will find out the ratio. Therefore, in this case, ratio of two computers is equal to 30,000 ratio 30,000, and this is equal to 1 ratio 1. This is unit ratio. Okay, dear students, we have finished our today's CW. I hope you have understood today's CW. Practice more and more at home. Now I am giving you SW. Dear students, our today's SW number 13 number SW, and topic is page number 48, example 1. Solution of this example is given on the board, so I hope you will be able to do your SW properly. Do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.